Being a business owner, we all rely on lots of advisors. Your key advisors for your finances generally would be a bookkeeper, a tax accountant, financial coach, or somewhere along those lines. You want to make sure they're doing the right thing by you, especially if they're a new service provider. So we're going to go into detail in making sure and checking whether they are doing the right thing by you in our video today. So welcome back everyone to Neha's Bookkeeping Corner, where we talk all about tips and tricks on how to ensure you have the best bookkeeping systems in place, how you can make your life easy. Alrighty, we'll be talking about a couple of reports today that you should generally ask your bookkeeper to provide to ensure that they're doing everything right by you and your business. So number one report that you would want them to send to you on a regular basis is bank reconciliation. Now you'll say, Neha, but I don't know what to look out for. So you will look at the bank reconciliation report and ensure that the balance within your bank rec report matches with the balance on your physical bank statement. Okay, and there should be nothing unreconciled. Number two is management report packs. So most of the systems, we especially talk about Xero within this channel, but Xero, MYOB, QuickBooks, every system has inbuilt management report pack, or they can create it for you, where you look at your profit and loss, you look at balance sheet. Balance sheet is one thing which doesn't sometimes get provided by your bookkeepers, because sometimes they get like some of the things get hidden within the balance sheet, but it is the most important document to check, because you can look at your assets value. So many times when we have started working with a client and we'd send them the balance sheet and they'll say, oh, but that vehicle doesn't exist anymore. So sometimes we'll find that the accountant hadn't posted the journal. They fixed it in their system, but it doesn't reflect on the software of the client, which is not ideal. Or sometimes you will see the suspense account is huge. And there's different things we've seen over the years, but it's a good idea to have a look at balance sheet. So those are the basic reports, and then you can ask for cash flow, comparatives, that sort of thing. But having a basic profit and loss and balance sheet is quite important. Number three, you want to look at the month-end payroll report if you employ people, making sure everything is reconciled, making sure the wages, when you look at the report, they look normal, and confirm with your bookkeepers. They can always take a screenshot that single touch payroll has been launched for you. Number four is just have a random transaction check. Like when we sit down with the client and they'll say, hey, we spent that money, where did you put it? So we'll tell them, we'll show them which general ledger account that we had put it into. So I love those sort of clients who actually take the time to read it, because we take so much time and effort to put together the bookkeeping for them, to put together the reporting for them. So they are my favorite kind of clients who actually look at reports. And it also shows their commitment to their business. And it's a good thing to keep an eye on what's going on in your business. Now, the last report that I would recommend looking at is estimated BAS report, something along the, like some kind of GST reporting. Now, what that does is that enables you to ensure that the correct GST gets lodged with the tax office, and it will ensure that you're not overclaiming or underclaiming, things like that. So having those 5 reports at the end of the month from your bookkeeper will ensure that your books are getting reconciled regularly, will ensure that everything is on track, and it'll give you sense of satisfaction, and you'll be happy that things are working the way they should be working. It will also give a sense of satisfaction to your bookkeeper as well, because they know that you're looking at things and they're conscious that you're a quality conscious business owner. So it helps everyone to have a bit of transparency, and this is your business. You have to know what's going on financially. I hope you found this useful. If you get stuck or anything, you can't find a report, let me know via comment section. And I'll put the link down below if you are interested in our bookkeeping course, which will teach you how to do it yourself on Xero. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Let's stay in touch. Follow us on YouTube at Neha 9442. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at 0394249447.